What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I know you guys read the title. Yes, I did lie. I told my client that I do locks. Like, what can I do, right? So I told my client that I do locks, which, I mean, I guess it's not a 100% complete lie because one of my older brothers used to have locks and I used to do his locks, but I'm definitely not a loctician, and I could tell that she was very knowledgeable about her locks and how she wanted them retwisted. So I was like, this is gonna be quite interesting. She hadn't had her hair twisted in I think a couple months or something like that. It had been a minute, and so yeah, I had to go in and do hair surgery. So basically what I did was I went to the beauty supply and I bought like 50 million different lock products. I said, let me stock up my cabinet so it looked like I do this, right? And it turns out that she didn't want to use any of those products. She's like, typically I just use oil to retwist, but you can use like whatever product you feel like you need to use. So I ended up using Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax, and this has moringa seed oil and manuka honey. And yeah, I use this because it was super lightweight. Y'all can see it's literally sliding off my hand, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do what I used to do back in the day and hopefully it works out. So my older brother used to have locks back in the day, you know, during the hyphy movement, when I feel like it was just part of Bay Area culture to have it. And I kind of taught myself how to start locks and how to retwist them, but I'm not a loctician. Like, I really don't know what products to use and why. I just like do what I do. So yeah, I was gonna go ahead and watch a couple videos, but my day had gotten busy, and so by the time she got there I said, oop, like I'm just gonna have to make it do what it do. But she was really excited to be on camera. This is someone that I used to cheer with, and I used to coach her. Basically, we grew up together, so I'm like, you know, if she catch me in the lie, it's not that bad, right? And I kind of told her, I was like, yeah, I do this, but like I don't do this. And she was like, oh, it's all good, girl. So yeah, this was really fun just to do something different. I said my subscribers is gonna get a kick out of this. So yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch me do what I do. It actually turned out looking like something, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing her head, and I guess I will see you guys at the finished look. Alright, so I'm almost finished, almost completed, and I know that typically, I only know this because there's a stylist who works in the salon I work in that does locks, but typically they sit under the dryer. So I said, well, I'm about to look real official with this, y'all, because I have a stand-up like in-home blow dryer that I haven't used in forever. I literally had to dust the cobwebs off of this thing, but I said this is about to make me look super official with it. So I busted that out, dusted the cobwebs off, and let her sit underneath that for 45 minutes, and voila, magic. Okay, this is the finished look, guys. I know it looks like I do this, but I don't. Nah, I was really curious just to see how long this would last, because I was like, oof, like, I don't even know if I did this right, but here is, so you guys can see the before and the after. Sis is glowing. Her skin is popping. Locks are looking on point. Like, I don't even know how much people charge for this, but it was definitely fun doing this, just maybe because I was doing something different, and y'all know I get stuck doing like literally braids all day. So just to switch it up is kind of cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm always open for constructive criticism. As always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?